we'll guide you through how to use Trello email notifications effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your Trello account if you haven't already. Once you're in, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings from this menu. This will take you to your account settings page. Here, you can manage how you receive notifications from Trello. To enable email notifications, make sure the option Enable Desktop Notifications is turned on if you want to receive them on your computer. Scroll down to the Email Notifications section. You'll see different options like Instantly, Periodically, or Never. Choose Instantly if you want to get emails immediately when something changes on your Trello boards, or Periodically if you prefer to get them in batches. If you're part of multiple boards, you might want to customize notifications for each board. To do this, go back to the main Trello page, click on the specific board you want to customize, and then click on Show menu on the right side. Choose More, then Settings, and finally, Change Notifications. Here, you can adjust notifications for individual boards, ensuring you only get emails for the most critical updates. Remember, email notifications will go to the email address associated with your Trello account, so make sure it's up to date. Taking a few minutes now to configure these settings can save you a lot of time and help you stay on top of your tasks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.